In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to simplify radicals. All right, let's look at this first example. It says the square root of 32. Basically, all you're doing is breaking down 32 into multiples of 32. What multiplies to equal 32? You have a couple options, but I'm going to choose 8 times 4. Since I broke down 32 to be 8 times 4, I'm going to go ahead and cross it out. Now, I'm going to ask myself what multiplies to equal 8. 4 times 2 does. Sorry about the bell. Then I'm going to ask myself what multiplies to equal 4. 2 times 2. And then I'll mark it out. Every time you break down a number, go ahead and mark it out. Now, you see how I have the other 2 right here? That's a prime number. The only thing I'm going to have is 2 times 1, so I'll just leave it alone. But the other 4, I can break that down to be 2 times 2 because they equal 4. And then go ahead and mark out my 4. Now, I'm only going to focus on the numbers that are not marked out. Then I'm going to do that cheer I'm teaching you guys in class. For every pair, you take 1 out. For every pair, you take 1 out. For every pair, you take 1 of them out. Pair means when you see 2 of the same things. So what pairs do you see? I see a pair of 2. So I'm going to take 1 of the 2's out in front of the radical sign. Since I did that, I can cross it out. I also see another pair of 2's. So I'll take out another 2, excuse me. And do I see any more pairs? No, but I do have a leftover of 2. My leftover will go under the radical. I'm going to go ahead and write this up here. Your leftovers stay under your radical. And then whatever you take out, or let me just say take out. Whatever you take out goes in front of the radical. Now, I took out a 2 and another 2. If you take out more than one number, you multiply them. So 2 times 2 gives me 4. So this will be my answer. Let's look at this next example. 12. What multiplies to give me 12? I'll just do 3 times 4. And then I ask myself, what multiplies to give me 4? 2 times 2. I could ask myself what multiplies to give me 3, but it's just going to be 3 and 1, so I'll leave it alone. Now that I have broken down all my numbers to all my primes, I'll do the cheer I taught you guys in class. For every pair, you take 1 out. For every pair, you take 1 out. What pair do you see? I see a pair of 2's. So I'll take out a 2 and mark those out. However, my leftover is 3. So I'll leave my leftover under the radical. And then the numbers that I've taken out is a 2. I also had a negative 7 in front. So I'll multiply those 2. 2 times negative 7 gives me negative 14. And another rule of thumb, if you have more than one leftover, multiply your leftovers.